Well, I woke up on the couch. I fell asleep watching TV. And I woke up on the couch at 3:30 in the morning. And I came out here and I was scrolling through the old hunting grounds. And I've been looking for one of these for a long time. You know what that is. That's a dirt grinder. That is a dirt grinder that goes behind a Kubota, my Kubota. And I've been looking for them, and they're always like $1,000, $1,500, $2,000, up to $3,000. Look at that. And the reason it says pending is because, like I said, I was up at 3:15 in the morning, so I went ahead and sent a note saying, oh, please, please let me have it. Not really, but kinda. Anyways, so, and then I went back to sleep. And I got up and I had got a message from this guy saying, hey, you want this thing or not? Because my phone's blowing up. I bet it is. That is something that we definitely need out here on the ranch because we want to put in some big gardens this year. I'll be back. Classic truck rescue. There I go being the early bird again. I woke up at 3:15 in the morning, left the TV on, and the news guy woke me up. And I couldn't go right back to sleep because I actually fell asleep kind of early, but so I scrolled through the interweb, as I often do when I don't find anything exciting. It makes me drowsy after a while and I go back to sleep. But anyway, I set my peepers on a rototiller for a tractor. It's old and it's crusty looking, but it's only 2 Huskies. And anyone that knows anything about tractor mounted 3-point rototillers for behind your tractor knows they're expensive, because I've been looking for one for a long time. We need one out here. There's my flag. Oh, you haven't seen that yet. I keep forgetting. I try not to show you my progress on the building when you haven't seen it. And at this point, as I'm filming this, you haven't seen it. But you will by the time you see this, if that makes sense. Anyway, I sent the guy a message. I don't like to text people at 3 o'clock in the morning. I quit doing that a year and a half ago. Over a year and a half ago. Anyway, but because if you text somebody at 3 o'clock in the morning, generally it's not important business that you have to discuss or anything that you need to discuss. But I sent it to him anyway. And then I went back to bed. And when I got up after I had a cup of coffee, I was like, oh yeah, I wonder what's going on with that rototiller. And the guy had sent me a message saying, hey, get back to me if you want that thing, because my phone's blowing up. So I got back to him, and that's where we're going. Classic truck rescue. I'll be back. There she bees, folks. I know it's old and it's kind of crusty looking, but that's a heck of a piece of machinery to have to put behind that tractor I got. I gotta check with him, make sure it's okay for me to film. Yeah, this is Grant, and I'm Rick Grant. Yeah, so do you know of any issues? Because at the price you're selling it for, if you tell me something's broken on it, all you're doing is helping me get ready.
I don't know anything's broken.
Okay.
I know that drive line is the issue.
I happen to have one of those.
Perfect. So
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got one that was left over off another piece of equipment I had. And plus that doesn't move around a lot, so
right.
You just got to get the right.
Yeah.
You got to go?
I also got, yeah, I do kind of.
Okay.
I got guide wheels that can go in here. I'll throw them in. I don't
awesome.
know. They help kind of guide it and keep it.
Yeah, we got 25 acres. We've been building for 7 years. We basically nothing on there, no road, no power or anything, and we're finally getting somewhere. I'm putting up a pole barn right now. I noticed you had a pair of forks tucked under. You got any clamp-on forks?
Done,
okay. All right, but yeah, I'll definitely take this.
Okay. Yeah, let me look. Yeah.
All right. Yeah, the guy deals in tractors, I guess. Hello. Hello. Guy deals in tractors, and that rototiller came in on a Kubota. So, early bird got the worm again. Love it. We will put this to good use. Definitely needed. Even if it needs a couple things repaired on it, it's still worth having. I'll check her out. Good thing about stuff like this is if something's broken and you got a welder and a torch, you can usually fix it. That looks good, man. You can come in a little farther. All right.
Back up a little bit. Down. Back up. Down. Roll it. Roll it a little more. Good. Okay, now roll your bucket back up. Okay, now.
The tine's grabbing. Tine's grabbing.
Not that.
Ooh. I wonder if we can pick that up. before I set this thing down, I wanted to make sure that turning the input shaft turns the tines. So we've got a made in Germany. Made in Germany! Yeah! Good luck to made in Germany. It's good. Barnard Krone. Hey, if you know anything about the Barnard Krone rototiller attachment for tractors made in Germany, it's a yeah, where is that? 4441 SPELLE 4476 World WERTLE Sidewalk Maschinen Fabriken Machine Fabricating. I don't even speak German, but it's a model 21407 type RL100. That's a breather. That's probably, maybe, I wonder if that's where you fill it or where you drain it. That must be the fill plug for the gear oil. And what about this, folks? Should that have a cap on it? I don't know. Gotta assume there's a chain and everything in there. Well, before we put it to work, we'll pull this inspection cover off and take a look at all that. But heck, I don't even know if it turns over. So I might be jumping the gun. Trying to make sure I don't get under it. Oh, looky there. Looky there, folks. Yeah, I can work with that. Sure. Sure we can. That's great. That's great. Hi, Chat. How you doing, buddy? That's pretty sweet. I like the way Germans make stuff. They're good. They're good. I guess that's fine. That's fine. I think we made out pretty good on the German-made rototiller for 200 bucks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Barnard Krone, or Bernard Krone, BK. Hurley bird got that worm.
Lou would like to say thank you to everyone from California, Illinois, Ohio, Minnesota, Wyoming, Connecticut, Virginia, Iowa, Oklahoma, Indiana, and Canada.
Yeah, hi, this is Lou. I want to thank all of you for the cards and gifts that you've given me in your memory and in reminding me to just how important you are. I wish I could say hello to each and every one of you.
So thank you very much. He enjoyed his morning reading all the cards, and he especially likes the book. Thank you.